Prime time news this evening. Election mode. Government gives strong indication general elections may be this summer. Mass grave found. Police probe site in Spanish Town which gangsters may be using as a burial ground. And dust nuisance. NEPA forecast bad air quality will linger into the weekend. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: do you believe the health status of parliamentarians should be made public? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.